Porcupine. This walking pincushion is a porcupine, and yes, they somehow manage to mate without becoming kebabs. The male's courtship strategy? Peeing on the female from 6 feet away. Yep, he stands on his hind legs and sprays her like a garden hose. If she's into it, she flattens her 30,000 quills and lifts her tail over her back, creating a safe landing zone. The male balances on her back for a few minutes of awkward mating, then quickly dismounts before getting stabbed. She's only fertile for 8 to 12 hours per year, so timing is everything. After 7 months of pregnancy, she gives birth to a baby with soft quills that harden within an hour. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe the channel and let us know in the comment section for more content about the world's amazing creations. Giraffe. This tall guy is a giraffe, and males taste test urine to check if females are ready to mate. The male follows a female around, waiting for her to pee. When she does, he drinks it and makes this ridiculous curled lip face called the Fleeman response. He's analyzing her hormones through special receptors in his mouth. If the taste test says she's fertile, he starts courting her. Multiple males compete by necking, swinging their massive heads at each other like medieval weapons. The winner gets to mate for about 5 seconds, after all that buildup. The female is pregnant for 15 months and gives birth standing up, so the 150-pound baby falls 6 feet to the ground. Rough start to life. Argonaut octopus. This paper-thin octopus has the wildest mating strategy. The male is 100 times smaller than the female. When he finds her, he doesn't get close because she might eat him. Instead, he detaches his entire penis arm, which is called a hectocotylus. This arm swims independently through the water like a guided missile, finds the female, crawls inside her mantle, and deposits sperm. The male swims away with 7 arms and eventually grows a new one. Early scientists who found these detached arms inside females thought they were parasitic worms and gave them a different scientific name. The female stores the sperm, lays thousands of eggs in a beautiful paper-thin shell she creates, and dies after the eggs hatch. Banana slug. This slimy yellow tube is a banana slug, and they're hermaphrodites, meaning each one has both male and female parts. When 2 slugs meet, they both try to be the male because pregnancy is exhausting. They engage in a bizarre mating dance that can last hours, circling each other and covering themselves in slime. Eventually, they both extend their bright blue penises, which can be 6 to 8 times their body length. After mating, sometimes one slug's penis gets stuck. The solution? The other slug chews it off. The penisless slug can still mate as a female, so it's not a total loss. Both slugs can lay eggs after this encounter. Flatworm. These ribbon-like creatures are hermaphrodites, and their mating is literally a sword fight with their penises. Both flatworms want to be the male because being pregnant takes energy, so they engage in penis fencing. Both extend their sharp, 2-headed penises and start stabbing each other. It's like a medieval duel, but weirder. The fight can last an hour with both worms twisting and dodging. Whoever gets stabbed first loses and becomes the female. The winner injects sperm through the wound, and the loser's body absorbs it through their skin. The losing flatworm has to carry and lay the eggs while the winner swims away, consequence-free. Some flatworms have multiple scars from losing several penis fencing battles. Praying mantis. This alien-looking predator is a praying mantis, and the females are famous for eating their mates. When it's mating time, the male approaches very carefully because the female is bigger and more aggressive. He does a little dance to show he's a potential mate, not a meal. If she accepts, he climbs on her back, and they mate. But here's the dark part. The female often bites his head off during the process. And the creepy thing? His body keeps mating even without his head. His nervous system continues automatically. This happens in about 13 to 28% of encounters. Scientists think she does it for extra protein for egg production. The male is basically a protein shake with benefits. She lays 100 to 400 eggs in a foam case that hardens to protect them through winter. Clownfish. This orange guy from Finding Nemo has a shocking secret. All clownfish are born male. They live in groups with one dominant female and one breeding male. When the female dies, something incredible happens. The breeding male transforms into a female. Yep, full sex change. His body starts producing eggs instead of sperm. Then the next largest male in the group becomes the new breeding male. This process is called sequential hermaphroditism. The pair mates by the female laying eggs on a flat surface near their anemone home.
The male fertilizes them and then guards them obsessively for 6 to 10 days. Ducks look innocent, but male ducks are monsters. Duck mating is violent and often forced. Males have corkscrew-shaped penises that can be up to 8 inches long on a 1-pound bird. That's proportionally huge. Females evolved maze-like reproductive tracts with dead-end tunnels to prevent unwanted fertilization. It's literally biological warfare. When a male forces himself on a female, her anatomy can direct his corkscrew penis into a dead end, preventing fertilization from males she doesn't choose. Male ducks grow a new penis every year. Females lay 8 to 15 eggs, and ducklings can walk and swim within hours of hatching.